competition for lawyers on the internet is getting more and more brutal every year. Every year more law firms are building websites and putting their money into competing on the internet. Every year more people are taking their yellow page budget, their phone book budget, and directing it towards online web marketing. I started developing websites over 14 years ago when I was a student at Temple Law. Both of our founding partners are practicing attorneys. We have both built successful law practices using online marketing. We have personally helped dozens of other attorneys do the same thing. It's very important to be on the first page of Google. That's where over 90% of people stop when they're doing a search on the internet. Think about it. When is the last time that you did a search on the internet and you went to page 2 and then to page 3 and then to page 4? If they don't find what they're looking for, they'll just do another search. If you're not on the first page of Google, then you're not even in the competition. A lot of people call us that have spent money, poured money into the websites. They have a pretty website, it has nice images, it's a nice design, they spent months and months building the website, but it brings them no business. A page that's on the 4th, 5th, 6th page or higher of Google is not going to bring you any clients. It's like having an expensive billboard that nobody can find in the middle of the desert, and you're wondering why nobody's calling your office. Fact is, nobody's seeing your billboard. So what we do is work hard with the client to get their site from the depths of Google and on the 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th page and get it onto the first page. Amazingly, the majority of law firms in the United States still put the majority of their advertising budget, of their marketing budget, into the phone book. When was the last time you used a phone book, picked up a phone book, and looked up any information? If you ask your 20 best friends or colleagues when the last time they used a phone book was, majority of them will tell you, I haven't used a phone book in 6 months. As a matter of fact, I throw my phone book away as soon as I get it, or I use it as a doorstop. Nobody uses the phone book anymore. The phone book's like a dinosaur. Every year, less and less people use it. It's now becoming almost obsolete. Everybody's going to their cell phone, to the computer, or to their iPad to find information. When was the last time you used the internet to look for information? Whether it be to look up a phone number, whether it be to find someone's contact information, or to find an answer to a question you have. You probably use the internet every day. And many people are tied to the internet at work. They use the internet all day, every day. I hear it all the time. When I ask people how they're marketing their law firm online, many people reply, oh, I already have a web guy. I then ask them, well, where is your site ranked on the internet? And most of them have no clue. After some follow-up, I usually find that their web guy is a family friend or some random person who claims to know a lot about the internet. If you want to go that route, that's fine. But web guys or family friends rarely get law firms ranked to the top of Google and the search engines. Lawyers spend a tremendous amount of money marketing and promoting their websites. Every year the budget goes up. You need to hire a marketing firm that knows how to bring qualified leads to the attorney. Hundreds of thousands of people a year are looking on the internet to find a lawyer. The internet's a beautiful thing. When you go to a search engine, you have a problem or you have a question you need to have answered. When someone sits down at the computer and types in a word such as, who's the best divorce lawyer in Atlanta, Georgia? They're expecting to have Google spit out a list of answers for them of the best divorce lawyers in Atlanta, Georgia. Wouldn't it be great to have your website pop up on the front page of Google when somebody types in for your hometown, who's the best lawyer for whatever area you practice in? That's one of the objectives that we have with our clients. We want our clients to show up on the front page of Google as high as possible for as many different keyword or search phrases as possible. The internet is not like billboard advertising or phone book advertising. The internet marketing that we use for our clients is targeted like a laser. You design a website to be found and to convert clients as quickly as possible so they pick up the phone immediately and call your office, or they type in using your feedback form and immediately contact your office. What you want is people coming to your site that are looking to hire an attorney. And they're looking to hire an attorney that does what you do in your specific geographic area. We have a select number of clients across the United States, usually only a handful per city, and we put all of our efforts in to driving those client sites to the tops of the search engines. The bottom line is, if you want to be in the top of Google, you need to hire someone who knows how to get clients at the top of Google. We have a proven track record in getting law firms in cities across the United States ranked highly in the search engines in driving traffic to those clients' websites.